In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image in a Canva template. Whether you're refreshing your brand or just want a new look for your design, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First things first, head over to Canva by opening your browser and typing in www.canva.com. If you're not logged in, you'll need to do so to access your projects. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button positioned at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to continue with your login credentials. Choose your preferred method, whether it's through an email, Google account, or other service. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to your Canva dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, it's time to open the project or template you want to edit. You'll find your existing projects on the home screen. Click on the one you want to modify. If you're creating something new using a template, simply select a template from Canva's library to get started. With your project open, navigate to the image or text you want to replace. Click on the image or text, and you should see a highlighted box around it. This indicates that you have selected the element successfully. Next, look for the Delete option on the toolbar. Clicking Delete will remove the current image or text from your design. But don't worry, this is reversible if you make a mistake thanks to Canva's handy Undo button. Now it's time to choose your new image or element. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find several options such as Photos, Elements, and Uploads. If you already have the image in your Canva Uploads, select Uploads and choose your image from there. If not, you can search for a new one under Photos or rely on Canva's library to find the perfect picture. Once you've selected your new image, drag it onto your canvas where the old image used to be. An alternative way is to click on the image and it will be placed in your design. After you've added your new image, it's important to make sure it fits your design correctly. Resize the image by clicking and dragging the corners of the selection box. Canva makes it easy to maintain the aspect ratio, so your image won't appear stretched or distorted. Once resized, you can drag the image to adjust its position until you're satisfied with how it aligns with other elements in your design. And there you have it, your Canva template has now been successfully updated with a new image. I hope these steps have made the process straightforward and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial for updating an image in a Canva template. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out. Happy designing!